All right, hey, Josh here out of Columbia, out here actually Wyandot County, Ohio. But in this video here, I'm actually gonna give you some ideas here as far as the windows and the doors. And then we're gonna talk about some of the details of this building here. But you can see here on these windows right here, 3x3 here. See that on the side wall there? So if you're laying out a building, for example, and you kind of want to know what it looks like, I just had a guy come in the other day and ask me, give dimensions. So that's what I'm gonna try to do here. And then you can see out front there, on the gable side, right next to that man door, that's a 3x4. So you can see two 3x3s on the eave there. All right, 24x32. And then that's a brown sidewall steel and actually a black roof. And then it's gonna be a black wainscoted process, okay? But these two overhead doors right here, whether you wanna go with an 8x8 or 9x8, these are actually cut out, framed out to be 9x8s, all right? So again, a 24x32, 10 feet tall. And that kind of gives you an idea there from what would a window look like. All right, so there you can see 3x3. All right, 3x3s there, 3x3s, and then right over there, a 3x4. All right, and then I also want to share with you, and I've talked about this before. You can see how we do this underneath there. You don't want to fall there, but you can see how we put something underneath that. A lot of times you'll see that there's no support there, so that, you know, you step on that, you're not going to fall through that. All right, again, 2x6 is spaced apart 30 inches. All right, and the corner strength, again, 6x6 posts. All right, on this building, smaller building, obviously 24x32, and then intermediate or sidewall posts there, 4x6. But the strength of the building right there. Now these trusses, as you can see up there, and then if it's not on the post, for example, again, truss is 4 foot on center. So if it's not on the post, we put it in 2x6. You can see how we put the 2x6 in and we nail that again to secure that, to keep things tight. All right, now this building, as you can see right here, it's got a vapor barrier. And again, you see videos before where we do a drip stop or vapor barrier. This one right here is a vapor barrier. And let me say this again, the reason why we do 4 foot on center, look at the purlins up there. This is an easier one because it's a smaller building there, but look at the purlins laying flat. Now if you put your trusses 8 foot, 9 foot, 10 foot on center, you're gonna have to lay your purlins on edge. And that can be an issue, definitely for a builder, especially when you're talking about higher buildings, walking on those purlins. You're gonna walk on a purlin on edge versus a purlin flat. All right, so in progress right here. But again, 1650 lumber, 1650 lumber that we use. And let me show you that so you can see that. But I've shared this with in other videos versus a not a 2-grade lumber. The 1650 lumber, again, the tensile strength, again, 500 pressure points stronger. Let me show you that with you. See that 1650 up there? Yeah, see that up there, 1650 versus a 2-grade. All right, and you can see how we did this as well. Check that out there. Actually, we sliced out 4x6 actually. We put that right under that man door. That's gonna give it a really sturdy base. All right, so again, we don't always use a 4x6, kind of depends on the lumber, but that gives you an idea. And then you can see right there how we did that. We took that 4x6, see how we did it over here as well. Put that 4x6 and we ran it underneath that entrance door. All right, so hopefully that gives you an idea there. Some measurements and so forth, but this progress, for this building is still in progress. And, two things. So like the video, boom, thumbs up. Until next one, keep it locked and loaded right here. Adam Plumber since 1925.